Don't just stand on this angle.
Yeah, I've got it on video.
Come on. I'm telling you, if she starts to go, he'll come. He came. Now, we swam across a river and then back. That's your problem. He can swim more than he's an old man. He's a happy one.
And if you have to get off, just stay beside their neck.
Yeah, just
Because if it gets deep, you might have to get off.
yeah, grab me. We can always turn around.
You think.
Oh, I have a clean cut now, but that's still a gnarly looking cut.
In a nasty lake.
Yeah, really.